So, how to set up products, prices, and payments links in your Shopify.io sub account. Go to payments, products, then create product. Enter the product name, price, and description. Once created, generate a payment link that you can send directly to clients to collect payment instantly.